Imagine this: blue waters, the warm Miami sun, and a lively energy all around. This is South Beach, Miami, where old-style buildings meet a busy beach. From the moment you arrive, you see bright colors and interesting people. But with so many people, is South Beach really worth it? Join us as we check out its famous beaches, lively culture, and fun activities. So, grab your sunscreen, put on your sunglasses, and let's go on a virtual trip to see why South Beach, Miami is special. What draws millions to South Beach each year? Perhaps it's the promise of endless sunshine and pristine beaches, or maybe it's the allure of its Art Deco district with pastel-hued buildings and geometric designs. South Beach captivates with its unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. From bustling Ocean Drive to serene South Point Park, South Beach offers a diverse tapestry of experiences. Whether you're seeking relaxation, adventure, or a taste of the high life, you'll find it here. But is this allure enough to justify the crowds, premium prices, and the wait for the perfect beach day? A trip to South Beach wouldn't be complete without sinking your toes into its legendary sands. Stretching for miles along the Atlantic Ocean, the beaches of South Beach are a sight to behold. Imagine the softest, whitest sand kissed by the warm Florida sun and caressed by gentle turquoise waves. This is the reality of South Beach's coastline, a haven for sunbathers, swimmers, and beach lovers. Lummis Park Beach is a vibrant hub of activity. Join a game of volleyball, rent a jet ski, or relax under a colorful umbrella. Families will appreciate the gentle waves and lifeguard stations. For a more secluded escape, the southern tip offers a quieter retreat. Discover South Point Park, a tranquil oasis at the tip of South Beach. Paved walking paths meander through lush greenery, offering breathtaking views. Take a stroll along the pier and breathe in the fresh sea air. The beaches here offer a slice of paradise for every traveler. Beyond the beaches, South Beach offers cultural attractions, historical landmarks, and architectural gems. From lush green parks to fascinating museums and the iconic Art Deco district, South Beach promises a diverse experience. Head to the Base Museum, a contemporary art museum in a stunning Art Deco building. Immerse yourself in thought-provoking exhibitions and collections. The Wolfsonian FIU Museum offers a vast collection of decorative and propaganda arts. History buffs should visit the Holocaust Memorial, a poignant tribute to the victims. This moving memorial features a powerful sculpture surrounded by the names of those who perished. Visit the Versace Mansion, once home to Gianni Versace, now a luxury hotel. Its stunning architecture and intriguing history captivate visitors. Stroll through the streets of South Beach and admire the unique architectural landscape. The Art Deco district, with its pastel-hued buildings and geometric designs, is a feast for the eyes. South Beach's architectural legacy is a testament to a bygone era. Enter the heart of South Beach's Art Deco district, showcasing one of the largest collections of Art Deco architecture. Stroll along Ocean Drive, bathed in neon lights, admiring pastel-hued buildings with geometric patterns. Every corner reveals another architectural gem, each telling a story of glamour and sophistication. The Colony Hotel, with its iconic pink facade, is a classic example of Art Deco style. The Carlisle Hotel boasts a striking blue and white color scheme and a rooftop terrace. The Art Deco district is a living, breathing neighborhood with vibrant energy. Sidewalk cafes offer the perfect spot to people watch while sipping on a Cuban coffee. Boutique shops beckon with unique offerings, from vintage clothing to local art. As the sun sets, the district transforms into a pulsating hub of nightlife. Exploring the Art Deco district is like stepping into a time capsule. But does this unique blend of history, culture, and beach life outweigh the potential drawbacks? As the sun sets, South Beach transforms into a pulsating hub of nightlife. The energy shifts, the music rises, and the streets come alive. From chic rooftop bars to intimate jazz clubs and high-energy dance floors, South Beach offers a kaleidoscope of nightlife experiences. Ocean Drive pulsates with frenetic energy after dark. The Art Deco buildings, bathed in neon lights, create a surreal backdrop. Dance the night away, sip on handcrafted cocktails, and soak up the electric atmosphere. For a more laid-back vibe, head to the quieter streets of South of Fifth. Stylish lounges and rooftop bars offer intimate settings with breathtaking views. Sip on a classic mojito as you watch the moon reflect on the ocean. South Beach has something to offer everyone. South Beach's culinary scene is as diverse and vibrant as its nightlife. From casual beachfront cafes to world-renowned restaurants, South Beach is a foodie's paradise. Whether you're craving a quick bite or a luxurious culinary experience, you'll find it here. Along Ocean Drive and Collins Avenue, you'll find a plethora of restaurants offering al fresco dining. Savor fresh-caught seafood, indulge in authentic Cuban cuisine, or grab a juicy burger. For a more refined dining experience, venture to Lincoln Road. Here you can indulge in innovative cuisine crafted by Michelin-starred chefs. Enjoy impeccable service and elegant surroundings. No trip to South Beach is complete without experiencing the vibrant flavors of Little Havana. South Beach has long been a playground for the rich and famous. The allure of its sunny beaches and glamorous atmosphere attracts celebrities and jet-setters. From exclusive nightclubs to chic rooftop bars, South Beach offers a glimpse into the world of celebrity. For a taste of the high life, head to one of South Beach's many celebrity haunts. These exclusive venues offer a glimpse into the world of A-listers. Rub shoulders with celebrities as you sip on champagne cocktails and dance to world-renowned DJs. For a more laid-back experience, South Beach boasts chic lounges and bars. Sip on handcrafted cocktails, enjoy live music, and mingle with a stylish crowd. These intimate venues offer a relaxed atmosphere perfect for a romantic night out or an evening with friends. South Beach's nightlife extends beyond the velvet ropes and exclusive guest lists. For a more authentic experience, South Beach offers a plethora of options. Venture off the beaten path and discover a world of live music. Experience the soulful sounds of jazz, the rhythms of salsa, or the latest indie rock bands. South Beach's diverse music scene caters to all tastes. Check out one of South Beach's legendary drag shows. These vibrant performances are a staple of South Beach's nightlife. From comedy acts to musical numbers, drag shows offer pure entertainment. Whether you're seeking high-energy dancing or a soulful jazz performance, South Beach's nightlife scene offers a diverse experience. With its crystal-clear waters and year-round sunshine, South Beach is a water lover's paradise. Beyond the beaches lies a world of aquatic adventures. Whether you're seeking an adrenaline rush or a peaceful escape, South Beach offers a variety of water sports. For an exhilarating experience, soar above the waves on a parasailing adventure. Feel the wind in your hair and the sun on your face as you take in panoramic views. Rent a jet ski and zip across the waves, feeling the spray of the ocean. For a more serene encounter, try paddleboarding or kayaking. Glide across the calm waters of Biscayne Bay, surrounded by lush mangroves. These activities offer a unique perspective of South Beach's natural beauty. For an underwater adventure, scuba diving and snorkeling opportunities abound. Explore vibrant coral reefs teeming with colorful fish and encounter sea turtles. South Beach offers a range of diving and snorkeling experiences for all skill levels. South Beach's architectural legacy offers a captivating glimpse into a bygone era. Beyond Ocean Drive lies a world of architectural treasures. From guided walking tours to self-guided explorations, South Beach invites you to uncover its hidden gems. Embark on a guided walking tour led by knowledgeable experts. Discover the history, design elements, and stories behind South Beach's architectural masterpieces. For a more intimate exploration, pick up a map and embark on a self-guided adventure. Wander through the Art Deco district, admiring the intricate details and whimsical motifs. Seek out hidden courtyards and charming lobbies. Visit the Art Deco Welcome Center for information and expert advice. South Beach's architectural heritage is a treasure trove waiting to be explored. South Beach's culinary scene is a melting pot of flavors, reflecting the city's diverse cultural influences and its passion for fresh, innovative cuisine. From casual beachfront cafes to world-renowned restaurants, South Beach offers a culinary adventure for every taste and budget. Prepare to embark on a feast for the senses as you explore the vibrant flavors and dining experiences. Start your day with a taste of the tropics at one of South Beach's many cafes or juice bars. Savor a classic Cuban coffee, strong and sweet to fuel your day of exploration. As the sun sets, South Beach's culinary scene transforms into a sophisticated affair. World-renowned restaurants helmed by Michelin-starred chefs offer an unforgettable dining experience. South Beach is a shopper's paradise, offering a diverse retail landscape that caters to every taste and budget. From trendy boutiques stocking the latest fashion finds to luxury designer stores showcasing the world's most coveted brands, South Beach is a destination for retail therapy and indulgence sprees. Whether you're searching for unique souvenirs, one-of-a-kind pieces, or the latest designer collections, South Beach's shopping scene has something to satisfy every desire. Explore the charming streets of the Art Deco district and discover a treasure trove of independent boutiques, vintage shops, and art galleries. Unearth unique clothing pieces, handcrafted jewelry, locally made art, and one-of-a-kind souvenirs to remind you of your South Beach adventure. For a more high-end shopping experience, head to Collins Avenue, South Beach's most exclusive shopping destination. Here you'll find flagship stores of luxury brands like Chanel, Gucci, Prada, and Louis Vuitton, showcasing the latest runway collections, accessories, and jewelry. And for a more eclectic shopping experience, venture to Lincoln Road Mall, a pedestrian-only promenade lined with a mix of high-street brands, department stores, and independent boutiques. South Beach, with its undeniable allure, often comes with a hefty price tag. From luxurious accommodations to exclusive nightclubs, costs can quickly add up. But there are ways to enjoy this vibrant destination without breaking the bank. South Beach offers a range of accommodations, from budget-friendly hostels to opulent resorts. Dining doesn't have to mean emptying your wallet. Many attractions like Ocean Drive and the Art Deco district are free. South Beach's popularity can be its downfall. Crowded beaches and long lines can detract from the experience. With planning, you can enjoy a more serene South Beach. Head to South Point Park Pier for quieter spots and stunning views. Or, wake up early to soak in the peaceful morning atmosphere. Consider public transportation like the South Beach local bus. Walking is great for exploring the Art Deco district. Buy tickets online to avoid long lines and visit during off-peak hours. So, is South Beach worth the hype, the crowds, and the potential costs? The answer, like most things in life, is not a simple yes or no. It depends on your priorities, your budget, and your tolerance for crowds and chaos. If you're seeking a luxurious beach vacation with endless entertainment options, a vibrant nightlife scene, and a taste of celebrity glamour, then South Beach is undoubtedly a destination that delivers. The energy is palpable, the beaches are stunning, and the experiences are unforgettable. However, if you're on a tight budget, prefer a more tranquil atmosphere, or are easily overwhelmed by crowds, then South Beach might not be the ideal destination for you. The costs can be high, the crowds can be overwhelming, and the pace can be frenetic. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to visit South Beach is a personal one. Weigh the pros and cons, consider your priorities, and decide if this iconic destination aligns with your travel style and expectations. As we've explored the sun-drenched shores and vibrant streets of South Beach, one thing is clear: this iconic destination is a study in contrasts. It's a place where Art Deco glamour meets modern-day hedonism, where tranquil beaches give way to bustling crowds, and where a laid-back beach vibe collides with a high-energy party scene. This balancing act is part of what makes South Beach so alluring and unique. So, as we conclude our virtual journey through the heart of South Beach, the question remains, is the wait worth it? The answer, my friends, lies within you. Only you can decide if the allure of South Beach's unique charm outweighs the potential challenges it presents. If you're willing to embrace the crowds, navigate the costs, and find your own pace within the chaos, then South Beach promises an unforgettable experience. It's a destination that will stay with you long after you've left its sun-kissed shores. A place where memories are made and stories are waiting to be written. So pack your bags, grab your sunscreen, and prepare to write your own South Beach story. Whether you find yourself dancing the night away on Ocean Drive, exploring the architectural wonders of the Art Deco district, or simply soaking up the sun on its pristine beaches, South Beach awaits with open arms and a promise of adventure. Thank you for joining me on this journey to South Beach. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep seeking out the extraordinary in every corner of the world.